Hello friends, this is my first video on YouTube. This is a multimeter review on a Unity. This is a Unity UT61E model. This is a fantastic and amazing multimeter which I have found on online. It has a low cost. It is about $50 on a AliExpress, but I have paid only $28 on a 11/11 sale. So let's unbox it. This is our knife. So let's check how this type packaging is a very good packaging. It take about a month to ship. Oh, nice ship, nice packaging. Oh, 1 second, this, here we go. Let's take it out. Yeah, this is our multimeter. Yeah, here you can see UNI-T, a brand new multimeter. Packaging is a very good. Yes, you can see packaging is a very good. I don't know how Chinese people make this. Oh, there are some dents on a box. This is our multimeter Unity UT61, and here we see some specifications. There is no yeah, there is a click of a Unity UT61E. Let's check it out. Yeah, nothing. This is a user manual. I know this is nothing. Oh, this is a tiny CD for software and other programs. Oh shit, it is broken. You can see this is a broken CD. Oh no, sorry friends. This, oh yes, this is a PC to connect, PC to multimeter connecting cable RS232C, infrared communication. Okay, let's side it. These are the props. The props are very good quality. You can see these props are in a very good quality. Not that much quality, but good quality of. Let's side it. This is a switching for plugging these here for transistor and another, and there is our multimeter. Yeah, this is very tiny, nice stuff, good quality. Wow, quality is very good. Nice quality. Here we have to put a battery. This is a communication output. There we connect this RS3232C, and this to connect to PC. In this box we do not get any type of battery because of a shipping and other. And there we go. Let's check it.